Today the Supra is gonna be under the knife. Finally gonna start installing most of the stuff, if not everything. Hopefully, my boy just showed up from the Supra forum, forums or the group chat on Instagram. Flacco build. When I first got the car, I thought I'd be going top mount, but I kind of like the sleek look of visually there's nothing happening until if you know what you're looking at. You look down or whatever and you see whatever you gotta see. But I like the sleek look. But I mean, if I ever want to push like real power, I'll probably do top mount. But the Remnant Performance Turbo, to me that is real power. So you know, whenever I do a trans or whatever, get it up to 800. I don't think this car really needs more than that. I'm not racing for like numbers or anything. I just want, you know, a quick car, and 800 is definitely quick in a rear-wheel drive car that's fucking tiny as hell. However, this car does weigh a decent amount. He's already working. I'm not gonna talk much this video. Just gonna make a quick edit of it, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so the turbo kit is installed. We didn't get to the port injection or anything yet this time, so I'll just make a separate video instead of, you know, waiting until we do that. But like I said, it does come with a new intake. I left the cover off just to hear, you know, the turbo spool or whatever. A new intake and a new charge pipe. If you're in Jersey, I do have the old intake and charge pipe. I think it's MST and AFE. But anyways, visually, it looks the same. It looks stocker than before because, like, you know, no red tubing to like give away that is upgraded or whatever. It's just wrinkled black. Only thing that you can see visually is the Remnant Performance, but it just looks like a heat shield. You know, you can't really tell. There's the turbo. It's way bigger. I have a picture. I think I'm gonna put it on the screen. But I'm gonna go edit the little clips I took, make that into a little nice video, just to make the video short. Edit that and then close it with this. But as far as the Supra goes, it is done for tonight, and I'll catch you guys in the next video with the if it takes a while to install the fuel system, whatever next video I make, I'll catch you guys in that one. Peace out.